In this video, I'll show you how to block people from seeing your Facebook posts. Facebook allows you to control who can view your posts without blocking or unfriending someone. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the What's on Your Mind box to create a new post, or open an existing post that you want to edit. Before publishing, tap the Audience button below your name. If you're editing an existing post, tap the three-dot menu and choose Edit Audience. You'll now see options like Public, Friends, Friends Accept, and Specific Friends. To hide your post from certain people, tap Friends Accept and select the friends you don't want to see it. If you want only a few people to see the post, choose Specific Friends instead. After selecting your audience, tap Done or Save, then publish your post or save the changes. Facebook will automatically apply the selected privacy setting, and the excluded people won't be able to see that post on your profile or in their news feed. You can change the audience of any post at any time by repeating the same steps. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.